In this part of the lecture, I will give you a simple introduction on data visualization in Python. Before we start, I have to emphasize that data visualization is a heavily opinionated topic. Everyone has their own taste regarding the style, the color, the layout of visuals. And I hope I can establish some basics for those who are not yet very familiar with data visualization in Python. Even if you are experienced, maybe you can still benefit from the tips and tricks in the demonstration. Since it is heavily opinionated, I have to say most examples from Googling Python data visualization or how to generate plots in Python are garbage. So be very cautious in copy and paste code from the internet. So let's forget about those online one-page guide to make figures. First, read this book called Fundamentals of Data Visualization by Klaus Wilker. It is a free and open access book, and it shows you great insights in making simplistic and beautiful visualizations. There are 3 things I will explain in this part of the lecture. First, common Python libraries you can use for data visualization. Second, good practices to follow when generating scientific plots. Lastly, I will focus on showing how different types of plots can be generated in Python using Seaborn library. When talking about statistical data visualization, there are 2 well-known libraries, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib is a de facto visualization library in Python, but in my opinion, it generates ugly plots with default options. And it requires a lot of tweaks to create beautiful plots. The second one is Seaborn. It is based on Matplotlib. I think it is relatively simple to use and can generate nice plots with limited effort. That's what I will focus on in this lecture.